Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. This is your English language instructor, Dr. Nurul Huda. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying the blessings of Allah. And I'm pretty sure that by now you have already done your bridging activity and your answer do not have to match mine because this is an open-ended question, but you have to write a complete sentence with the help of your teacher and make sure your spellings are correct. Now today is a fun day. Why? Because we are going to speak English and have fun. We are not going to write anything. But for speaking, we need to learn some techniques. And in those techniques, we will be learning how to narrate a story and how to have a discussion with each other in English correctly. Got it? Because the SLO says speak confidently to a group to share an experience. This experience can be a story as well. So this is what we are learning in the upcoming slide. It says crafting the everyday narrative. Crafting means making. Narrative means a story. So how you have to make a story or how you have to share an experience with the group or with the class. So if you have a lot to tell and you do not tell them in sequence, this is going to create a mess. We do not want to do that. So we have to tell your story in steps. In the first step, you have to choose a story and then you have to introduce it, then describe it well with the helping of the describing words or adjectives, then wrap it up. The most important part, you have to wrap up the story or end the story well. And the most important part, you have to speak clearly, because if you are not going to speak clearly, nobody is going to understand you. So what is the first and most important thing is pick something interesting to talk about. Don't make your audience boring. So what you have to do is introduce it first, then describe the details. Use all of the sensory verbs out there to make your story very interesting for the audience and wrap it well, because it ends well, then it is well. Now, first of all, the most important thing is the scene setting. It means you have to tell the audience where this story takes place and you have to make it interesting by adding actions and emotional words. When you add emotional words in your story, it will become more interesting and the audience or the listener listens to it with a great interest. And the most important thing is the wrap up. You have to tell the concluding remarks or the end or the takeaway at the end, so the audience will remember what was the story all about. And the most important thing, do not be very slow, because if you're going to be very slow in the start, the audience will not have an interest on you. And do not rush. So keep the pace normal. Pace means speed. Always talk in a normal way. Do not slow it down. Do not rush, but keep it very normal so everyone can understand whatever you have said, and always have an eye contact with the audience. Don't look at the walls or the windows or the doors. Look at the audience into their eyes and speak normally. So I have given you a topic over here. You have to choose this topic and give your presentation in the class one after the other. See you again in the next LIFT. Till then, bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.